Hello friends, in this tutorial I'm going to demonstrate or show uh, two cases uh, that will comes in the case of EIGRP routing protocol. So this is my first case, which is a contiguous network type. So by the term, the contiguous network means belonging to the same network, and there is no and there is a continuity of the particular network domain. So let's more clarify by seeing this example. Here, this is my network number 1, site A, and this is my network number 2, site B. So the network 1 belongs to the subnetted network of 117.10.1.0/26, and the another remote site belong to the subnetted network of 117.10.1.64/26, and the WAN IP connecting this two destination also have the subnetted network of 117.10.1.28/30 and the 128/30 and the 132/30. So if I summarize this subnetted network, it will give me the original this bigger network. So let's say 117.10.1.0/26, and again 64, 128. So actually, all this subnetted network can be summarized by a particular one network, which is 117.10.1.0/24. So well, let me just show it by a proper diagram. Okay. So here, if I summarize all this subnetted network, then they can be represented by a one particular network, which is the bigger network /24. So in this scenario, as this subnetted network also belongs to this bigger network, similarly this particular WAN network also belong to this bigger network, and the vice versa for this site also. That means from this network 1 to network 2, if I send the traffic, it will move within this network domain, which is the summarized network. So there is no crossing from one particular network to another. So we call it as contiguous, as there is a continuity is there of the network domain. And the another is the discontiguous network. So here the continuity is broken. So let's see, it's the same example as my contiguous type here, where the both the remote network 1 and network 2 both are belongs to the this subnetted network will be represented by 117.10.1.0/24. Wait, like this. So here the network 1 and network 2 subnetted network can be represented by a one network, which is the 117.10.1.0/24, and this another, the WAN part is the 10.1.2.0/30 and the 10.1.2.4/30. If I summarize this two subnetted network, it won't come under this bigger one, right? So this 10.1.2.0 slash 24 right. So this two subnetted network of the WAN IP of the WAN network can be summarized into a one particular network of 10.1.2.0/24. So if I send my traffic from network 1 to network 2, so as network 1 belongs to the it can be represented by the summarized network of 117.10.1.0/24. It will come to the WAN site, but the WAN site network is represented by 10.1.2.0/24. So there is a crossing of the network domain. So there is no continuity. So no continuity exists for this 117 series. So there is a continuity break. So in this scenario, it is called as the discontiguous network. So what happened in EIGRP? By default, there is a automatic summarization is there. So because of that, traffic can flow from the one side to the another side in contiguous network, but for the discontiguous type, traffic won't flow because the network one barrier is there, so it has to cross that barrier. So there is a, so this is the big limitation of the EIGRP. So in this case, we have to disable the this auto summarization. So for more better insight, so let's check the live this configuration of the routing protocol and see the traffic. So I have already configured all the interfaces, so we will first configure the routing protocol in the router number 1. So we'll go to router number 1. So router 1 is there. Enable config D. So router EIGRP. So for example, I have taken the ASN number as 100, and I have to advertise the network. So the first network is 117.10.1.0, and its wildcard marks 0.0.0.63, and another network is 117.10.1.28 0.0.0.3. Okay, here exit. Here I have advertised my network. So after router 1, we'll again configure the same for the router number 0. So we'll go to router number 0. Enable config D router EIGRP 100. Please wait. So EIGRP 100. Here I have to advertise my network. Network this 117.10.1.128 0.0.0.3, and other network is 17.10.1.132 0.0.0.32 0.3 wildcard marks. Okay. Okay, so similarly for the the router number 2 we have to do. Okay, so EIGRP 100 network 117.10.1.64 0.0.0.63, and another network 117.10.1.132 0.0.0.3. Okay, so here I have configured the routing protocol in all the three routers, router 0 or 0, 1, 2. So now let's check the ping test from the PC 0 to PC 1. So let's go to PC 0. So PC 0, here ping 117.10.1.70. So I can ping the PC 0 to PC 1. So similarly I can ping from PC 1 to PC 0. So in the contiguous network, as the all the subnetted network belongs to the one particular summarized network, so there is a continuous flow of the traffic within the same network. So there is no issue in the contiguous network, and the main issue will be in the discontiguous network. So for this contiguous network, we will configure the routing protocol similarly, just like the contiguous type. So let's go to this router number 4 first. So router number 4. Okay, enable 50 for here also I have taken the ASN number S100 and to advertise my network 117.10.1.0 0.0.0.63, and another network 10.1.2.0 0.0.0.3. Exit. So now we will move to router number 3. Router number 3. So here is router number 3. Enable 50 router EIGRP 100 network. The first network is 10.1 0.2.0, 0.0.0.3, and another network is 10.1.2.4, 0.0.0.3. Exit. Now after this we'll move to the router number 5. Router EIGRP 100, network 117.10.1.64, 0.0.0.63, and another network is network 10.1.2.4, 0.0.0.3. Exit. So here also I have configured all the routing protocols in the 3 routers. So now let's check the ping test from PC number 2 to PC number 3. Let's move to PC number 2. Here ping 117.10.1.70. Here it says destination host unreachable. As I have said earlier, when traffic will move from this network 1 to network 2, it has to cross its network domain of 117.10.1.0/24 and entered into the another network domain of 10.1.2.0/24, which is not possible in the EIGRP routing protocol. So to avoid this, we have to disable the route summarization. So if I disable the route summarization, then this summarized network won't be there. Instead, the subnetted network like 117.10.1.0 and again 10.1.1.2.0, it will be like this. So instead of the summarized route, instead of the summarized network, the subnetted network will be used. So if we use the subnetted network, traffic can flow from one place to another. So to do that, we have to go to any of the 3 routers. So let's go to router number 4. Okay, router number 4. So router EIGRP 100. So I have to disable the auto summary. So no auto summary. So it will disable the auto summarization. Now as I have disabled the auto summarization, so this subnetted network will represent itself and not by the summarized route. So now let's try to check the ping test again from PC2. PC number 2, so to the PC number 3. Pinging. So yes, so two cases exist for the EIGRP, contiguous network, and this contiguous network. So if it is contiguous network, okay, auto summarization, okay, it will work. Whereas in this contiguous type network, until and unless we disable the auto summarization, traffic won't flow. So we have to disable the auto summarization only for the discontiguous type network. So I hope this will clear some doubts regarding the EIGRP routing protocol data flow. Thank you.